is Rachel and Amy with Just Be, and we're here today with a video about lengthening the hamstrings with special regard to back pain. All right, Amy. Lay down.
Okay.
So the best way to work on stretching your hamstrings is to do it lying down so that the spine and the low back is supported and protected. Okay, so also we want to make sure that the hips are what we call neutral, which means you're not pushing your low back into the mat. So Amy, exaggerate that. So now she's pushed down. Here, let me move your arm so you can see. Yep, and then go back into neutral, Amy. Okay? All right, so we're going to start with your left leg. We're going to keep the opposite leg bent. That helps to maintain this position of the hips. And bend this knee in for me, Amy.
Okay.
And we're going to wrap it around. Get this nice and secure on the ball of the foot. And then I'm going to ask you to anchor your arm so your upper body can just stay relaxed. Okay. Extend the leg out 45 degrees. Good. And you're going to start to pull the leg up straight, but keeping this hip position. Yeah? Just till you feel it. Good. And then you're going to come out of it. So you don't need to overdo it on the first pull. And it's going to come up again. Good. And down. So what you don't want to do, Amy, again, I'm going to have you exaggerate, is pulling the leg up too high, making the whole entire pelvis tilt. That can be worse for your back in the long run. Yeah? So you just want to keep this neutral position, we call it. So Amy, let's add in some breath.
Okay.
You're going to inhale as you pull the leg up, thinking of that oxygen is going to lengthen the muscle, and then exhale, draw the abdominal wall in, like you're pulling in your belly button. Good. And inhale to lengthen. Good. And exhale, draw the abdominal wall in. One more time. Breathing in. And exhale out. Good. Bend the knee in. Good. The best way to transition to the other leg is to put this foot inside. We're going to put the foot in, take this foot down. Good. And then you go into the stretch. Yeah? Okay, so bend the knee. I'm going to take this away from you. Okay, so if you have any comments or questions about this exercise or ones that you would like to see, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching. See you next time.